Can you imagine creating appetizers just like those in no time? They're vibrant, fresh, healthy, and bursting with flavors. Hello everyone, I'm Farhad and thanks for joining me today. In this video, we'll be exploring easy ways to create stunning starters that will leave everyone reaching for more. These sure to impress dishes can be prepared in minutes with freshest ingredients. Get ready to elevate your appetizers game in a whole new way. Let's get to work. So the first thing I want to do is make the Mediterranean nacho. Very easy, very straightforward. I have the ingredients all here that we need. I have one small cucumber peeled and diced, about 4 or 5 ounces of crumbled feta cheese, half of red onions diced, some Kalamata olives, some fresh basil for garnish on top, and then I have some seasoning, which we're gonna put on at the end. And then I'll have one whole tomato diced, and then a Greek marinade that we're going to add it to the tomatoes, mix them, and then put them on the chips. So what that is one garlic clove minced, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of oregano, and salt and pepper. So that's all it is. So we're going to add that to the tomato and mix it. Okay, I'm just gonna let it sit here for a few minutes. I'm gonna bring our platter with the chips on and the tzatziki sauce, and we're gonna start assembling this, and you're gonna see how this works. Okay, here's our platter. So I have some pita chips here, and then I have some pita, but they're actually toasted. And then I have our tzatziki sauce. I'm gonna leave a recipe down below the description for this. All it is yogurt, Greek yogurt, diced cucumber, minced garlic, salt and pepper, and fresh dill. So that's about it. Very easy. So and then now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put everything on top of the chips. You can use as many chips as you want. And here we go. So our tomato. First thing I put is our tomatoes, and then obviously we're gonna go down the line. Cucumbers, red onions, butter cheese. There we go. Looks awesome. A Kalamata olives. There you go. And then I'm going to, this is a dried oregano. You can just shake some on top. And then this is totally optional. Some crushed red pepper if you like. If not, just ignore that. And then last but not least, fresh basil. There you go. Look at that. So this is our Mediterranean nacho. So I'm going to put this aside, and I'm going to start working on our flatbread. That one requires a little bit of cooking, not much, not bad at all. So I will see you in the next scene. So for the flatbread, this is the one I usually use. It works out great. You have to check your local supermarket and see what you can find. So what I do, I throw this in the oven for like 2-3 minutes or so. Kind of get them warm up, kind of feel like fresh. You don't want them too hot because we're going to spread some hummus on it. So what we'll do, we spread some hummus. And then these are about, let's see, this is like one small red onion thinly sliced. And this is one small red pepper thinly sliced. And they're tossed in some olive oil, salt and pepper, and dry oregano. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to saute these, caramelize them, and then put them on the top of the hummus. And then we're going to drizzle some balsamic vinaigrette, and then top it off with either fresh basil or fresh dill. And you can also put feta cheese you want if you like. That's totally optional. So that's the plan with this. So I'm going to go ahead and saute these and throw this in the oven and get them going. I'll see you in the next scene. So here I have hummus that I just made, like took me 5 minutes. You can either do that or just buy a pre-made from store, but I highly recommend to make it at home. Now, I had a video a couple of weeks ago. I'm going to include the link down below the description. Very easy. Chickpea, tahini sauce, garlic, a little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit of water, pretty much it. Yeah, for the traditional style. So very easy, very simple. Much more budget friendly than buying one from the store. So keep that in mind. So I got the flatbread in the oven for a few minutes. It's nice and soft. I sauteed the onions and pepper. I got the garnish going. So what I did, I spread some hummus on the flatbread, as you can see. So put as much as you like. There we go. We're good here, I believe. Okay, and then we're just gonna pretty much put some of the onions and pepper on the flatbread. And then we're going to cut this in square shapes. There we go. Fill up all the empty spots here, there, there. Okay, I don't know about you, but I definitely like to have some feta cheese. So I put some feta cheese. You gotta have feta cheese. And then some fresh basil. You're also gonna have that too. You can also use some fresh dill. There we go. And of course, some balsamic vinaigrette. You're gonna go. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. There we have it. Simple and delicious. Now I'm going to cut this and then plate it, and then we're going to look at the finished products. Other great toppings for nachos include pepperoncini and jalapenos, just an option. And for flatbread, you can use the same toppings plus calamari olives. To keep calories and carbs in check, I did some modification on this recipe by using fat-free feta cheese and whole wheat pita bread, along with baked pita chips. There are also some great healthy options for pita chips available, which I will link to it in the description below. Alternatively, you can make your own pita chips by rebaking them in the oven. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your family and friends. Also, leave me comments or any question you might have. And please check out my other videos on my right and left if you haven't already. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.